If your content isn't getting seen right now, it's probably not your fault. Like mine, I had a problem of my content or my videos not be seen recently. It's not your fault at all. It's probably someone's fault. It's the internet. The internet has changed right now, if you didn't know. And if you're not using Geo, you're already falling behind like the way I was doing. Did you know that over 70% of online research traffic is now being influenced by AI-powered system? We are talking about AI-powered system like ChatGPT, Google Search, Generative Experience, and even Perplexity AI. Do you know what ChatGPT is? Yes. Do you know Google Search Generative Experience? Yes or no? What about Perplexity AI? If you don't know, please go to the comment section and let us know which one you don't know. So what does that mean for you? It means that the content creator, affiliate marketeers, even online hustlers trying to make money from your blog or your YouTube channel, you have to do a lot of work. It means your content needs to be optimized for how AI thinks, for how AI recommends, and even to present them like the way AI presents. It's not just how humans type, because now these are two different things. The AI is thinking faster than us. Humans are thinking the other way around. I know you're still there asking yourself, what is this Geo? This saying that the system now is using Geo. Let me talk about Geo. Geo is Generative Engine Optimization, or Geo is the new SEOs. You've been hearing me talking about SEOs. Instead of just targeting Google search keywords, you are now optimizing for how AI system generative and summarizes the answers. Before, we are talking about, let's know how to, we are talking about how to optimize us to SEOs, but now we are targeting the Geo as in terms of how the system for AI works. Think of it like this. When somebody types best phones under $200 into Google, ChatGPT or Google AI doesn't just list blogs. It summarizes and pulls content from multiple sources. Just think about it. So if you're a content creator or your content isn't structured the right way, AI won't see your content at all. You know, Facebook, YouTube, all the social media platforms are now being manned, they are being operated on by AI, and people won't either get this. They will not know what it is to be like this. So if our content is structured the right way, AI won't see it, and people won't either see it because AI will not allow it to be sent out. No views, it means there will be no money. But behold, me, I said I have to make money on these platforms. So is you. You have to make money. Now, let's dive in and see how the Geo optimize your content in 2025. But before I go there, welcome to this mind-blowing video whereby, Christine, you guys, I'm a lady that has said I cannot accept to hold a smartphone and I beg for bread. You guys, you are there. I'll be disbursing. I'll give love through telling you what is up, how you can earn money from your skills, from the phone, from your beauty, and things around you. I'm not a financial controller. No, I'm not a financial guru. I'm just a smart lady. That's it. To you, my engagers, I love you so much. Subscribers, please, as you listen, don't forget to like, don't forget to share these videos, don't forget to engage them, and don't forget to act. How do we maximize the Geo optimization slang or the Geo optimization AI in our content in 2025? Geo, we can see it in three simple things. Yes, you, that is me, or you content creator, even with zero technical background, you can do this today. We don't need anything. We need these three simple things I'm going to put down. 1, use clear conversation titles. Don't just say my skincare journey. Say best affordable skincare for dark skinned in 2025 real results. Now I've come to see why some of my videos come. After discovering this, if you see lately, the videos are a bit coming up. AI pulls results that are direct, and it pulls results that are niched. It pulls results that they match user intent. Then the second way, I told you we're going to use simple three things. The second simple thing is add structured, helpful content. Use FAQs or bullet points, and people, like maybe you can say, people also ask, answers in your blog or video description. These are the things we should add. AI, they love clarity and even structure, and we lift your answers to the top. Please, whenever there's something that is going to make us not earn money, seriously, I'll be here. Speak like a human, write like a guide. This is the third way that you should mind. The more your content feels like it's answering someone's real question, the more like AI is to show it. That's why the long key words, stuffed paragraphs don't work anymore. Think, value, and even clarity. Just as simple as that. Why do we say that geo matters for making money? Let me break it down for you. Remember what I told you about geo. It matters in us making money like this. Bloggers who optimize for geo are getting 3 times more AI-driven traffic. Affiliate marketeers are seeing higher click-through rates when their content appears in AI summaries. Smaller YouTubers are getting their videos linked in AI responses, even with less than 1,000 subscribers. But most people didn't know this, why it is like that. Maybe if I can give you a pro tip, let's know that as long as we are using geo, it means we are going to have more visibility. It means we are going to have more income. Yes, because the more your videos or your content goes to the public, the more your visibility, and the more you get money. If you're serious about making money online with your content, please, whether it's from your smartphone, from your blog, from your content, from YouTube, even Instagram, Facebook, it's time to stop chasing algorithm and start feeding AI engines. Yes, you will have to tell at least the AI engine the content they want. Learn how to structure your posts. Learn how to speak to search intent. Learn how, at least that geo, optimize everything you create. Because the truth is, AI isn't taking your job. No, most people are worried about that. But someone using geo probably will take your job. I'm telling you. Like this video, you guys, it is very important. Share it to our friends. It is an eye-opener for all of us, including me. I want you to go to the comment section, write there, geo, ready? I'm telling you, I'm going to even summarize it higher if you're ready to rank higher and even earn smarter. Follow me for more videos like these ones, and let's make money on YouTube, on Facebook, on our blogs, and everywhere. Bye-bye.